What are chemtrails? Are chemtrails something called sulfate aerosol spraying? Sulfate aerosol spraying is like volcano ash, tiny particles that will reflect solar rays from the sun back into space. It has the potential to cool the Earth down 1 or 2 degrees. And it has been discussed in many mainstream publications and is actually being done. Is that what chemtrails are? And in fact, is this being done instead of cutting fossil fuel emissions? See, geoengineering is really climate engineering. And who's funding this? Energy companies, that's who. Everyone from Shell to BP has paid hundreds of millions in research and development into these climate engineering technologies. And sulfate aerosol spraying is just one thing they are doing to cool the world down, instead of actually dealing with the problem, which is fossil fuels. Cloud seeding and other technologies to drive rains and storms to areas that would normally not get them and would be deserts. Geoengineering is just climate engineering. So big oil, big coal, big energy can continue fracking, deep sea drilling, on and offshore drilling, mountaintop removal, strip mining, and all the other horrible shit that is done to the earth and humans, when in 2016 we continue this ridiculous reliance on just oil. Because oil companies are the businesses with the most money, so they can continue to pay to suppress technology that would allow hundreds of miles to a gallon of gas, solar energy that wouldn't cost an arm and a leg and it actually would be easy to use, and changing the way we make plastics and other things now so heavily reliant on oil and fossil fuels to produce. But these things would destroy the oil industry, and instead of trying to help save the earth, these monsters are trying to change the earth's climate through science in order to, say it with me, make more money. The earth is literally being geoengineered so oil companies can make more money. Our environment, our nature, our human species is being changed in secret, privately, by these fucking greedy, sick motherfuckers. Money and hoarding of it is going to be what destroys humanity. And this arrogance to change the environment by a few billionaires so they can get more billions is capitalism, folks. It's what capitalism is, and it's really the problem. Thank you for listening.